Hello friends, welcome to another question in trigonometry. This is the 15th video in the series. In case you have not seen the previous videos, I'll urge you to refer to all the previous videos. That will help in strengthening your concepts, both theoretical and the ability to solve questions much better. The link to the entire playlist is there in the description box below. So let's start solving this problem. This problem says that in an acute angle triangle ABC, if tan of A plus B minus C is equal to 1 and sec of B plus C minus A is equal to 2, then find the value of A, B and C. Basically it wants us to find the value of the three angles. So you see, if tan of A plus B minus C is equal to 1, then I know that 1 is the value of tan 45, which is equal to tan 45. For this you have to refer to your trigonometric ratio table of standard angles. So what this means is that A plus B minus C is equal to 45. Let me call this as part A. Okay. Then the second condition says sec of B plus C minus of A is equal to 2, and 2 is the value of cos of 60 degrees, which is sec 60, sorry. So this is equal to sec of 60 degree, right? Now how do I use this is because you see sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, which is equal to cos 30, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine of 30, that is equal to 1 by 2, is equal to cos 60, that is equal to 1 by 2. And this is the reciprocal of cos 60, so it will be sec 60. I'm just trying to give you a way to remember the trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Okay, so I have A plus B minus C is equal to 45 and B plus C minus of A is equal to 60. So let me put that second condition here. This implies that B plus C minus B plus C minus of A is equal to 60. This is part B. I also know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now you see, if you add part A and part B, what do you get? You get A plus B minus C plus B plus C minus of A. So A gets cancelled with this A and this C gets cancelled with this C, and the sum of this is 105, adding A and B. So I get 2B is equal to 105, and this implies that B is equal to 105 by 2, which is equal to 52.5. Okay, I get 52.5. Now you have to remember here that if I put 52.5 in let me call this as equation C. Okay, if I put this here, then what I get is A plus 52.5 plus C is equal to 180. This implies that A plus C is equal to 180 minus 52.5. This will be equal to 127.5. This is my part D. Okay, now and from part B, if I take part B, I get B plus C minus A is equal to B plus C minus A is equal to 60. This means B is 52.5 plus C minus A is equal to 60. So this implies that C minus A is equal to 60 minus 52.5, which is equal to 7.5. This is my part E. Okay, now the whole question becomes slightly simpler, because now what I have is, you see, now what I have is using D and E. Okay, I've already found that my angle B here is 52.5. Now I have, using equation D and E, what I have is C plus A is equal to 127.5 and C minus A is equal to 7.5. Now what you have to do is add and subtract these two. Okay, so if you do add and subtract, what you get is, so when you add, what you get, when you add the two equations, what you get is 2C is equal to 135, which implies that C is equal to 135 by 2, which is equal to 60, 70, 67.5. Have I done right? Yes, I think I've done right. And when you subtract the two equations, what you get is 2 of A is equal to 120. This implies that A is equal to 120 by 2, which is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so let me verify my parts here. So it says angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle, this is what we have derived, angle B is equal to 52.5 and angle C is equal to 67.5. Okay, this is what we have received. Okay, now let me try and see if I satisfy all the three conditions. Which are the three conditions? Condition A is A plus B plus C is 180 degree. Yes, it is satisfied. If you add A plus B plus C, you get 180 degrees. You look at your condition B, which is B plus C minus A. So B plus C gives you 120 degree minus A, that is 60. 120 minus 60 is 120. So 120 minus 60 is 60. So this is also satisfied. And your condition C is what we have found before. Condition A is A plus B minus C. So A plus B minus of C gives you 45, and that is also satisfied. So this means that our solution is right. I hope you found this video very useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. I urge you to subscribe because I upload new videos every night at 8 p.m. In case there is any part of the syllabus from class 9 to 12 of mathematics that you want me to solve for you, do put down your queries, questions or comments in the description box below. Also, you can message your questions to me at WhatsApp at the number in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.